Sa nilayo-layo pa ho ng aking pinanggalingan, mula sa isang natatanging lungsod sa silangan ng Kamaynilaan, beautiful people of Municipality of Santa Maria, Province of Bulacan, wala po bang palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. The greatest creation of God is humanity. Me and them are also creation of God. So whether you like it or not, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender are part of this humanity. Hello, hi, mabuhay, people of the land. This beautiful young lady standing right here before you is only 20 years of age, stunner. I may not be your Miss Q&A or your Super Serena. I may not even have a national television appearance. But in this era that only the well-known contesseras are being recognized, they call me the game changer. I am Samantha Sky Fierro, hailing all the way last from the Emerald City of the South Muntinlupa. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of one of the most beautiful face in showbiz industry. Ako po ang babaeng umakit sa mapanlinglang na puso ni Ginoong Daniel Padilla. Ang pinakabagong ahas sa telebisyon. Walang 11 years, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Hindi po ako makikipagsabayan sa mga malilaswa at bastos na kasabihan. Isa lamang pong katotohanan ang aking lilisan na sa mundong ito, kung gusto mong irespeto ka, matuto ka mo ng respetuhin ang sarili mo. Once again, I am your candidate number 19, Miss Andrea Brillantes, proud and honored to represent from one of the most popular festival of the Philippines, Sinulog Festival of Cebu City, saying, ang lalaking hindi marunong limingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan, natulala sa aking kagandahan. Maraming salamat po.
Palakpakan naman. Word is empowerment. Again, empowerment. And your timer starts now.
It is important for a certain country to have empowerment within the people. It is because I always believe that if we are going to contribute each of our skills and ability, join it together, we will be able to surpass whatever challenges life has to offer. At the end of the day, I might have a different skills and you may have your own. If we're going to combine it together, we can definitely overcome and surpass whatever challenges we might face. And all of us will be able to live in a heaven and in a very wonderful community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 19.
answer the question. And I'm going to repeat the question twice. Alright, your question is, how different would the world be if transgender were able to rule the world? Again, how different would the world would be if transgender people were able to rule the world? And your timer starts now.
Allow me to say first that if the man will be ruling the world, they will be able to have a strong hand. If the woman will be ruling the world, they are going to use their heart in order to govern people. And we trans women, we're going to be able to make the world different by simply combining two different abilities of a man and a woman. Because that is who we are. We are a combination of man and woman combined as one for us to be able to govern this world, a better place for each of us to live in. And all of the skills and abilities of man are the things that we are going to use in order for us to be able to serve every single human being to the best that we can. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, candidate number 19.